Hi, Scott Patric for Scott Patric Beauty. This is my dear friend Jenny Wong, and we're gonna put on a lash today. My favorite for Jenny's type face is a star lash. Thank you, dear Jenny, for showing that so lovely. And they're a little starry because a heavy lash on Jenny is going to be too much. So what I like to do is I measure the shape of Jenny's eye, please, and then I cut on the inner corner, not the outer corner. I want the gorgeousness to be left. So, do you have to put that down?
Mm-hmm.
There we go. So we're gonna save that gorgeousness for later. Waste not, want not. Okay.
Do you want me to close my eye completely or no?
No, I want you to be exactly how you are. So I took off that little bit, take the lash, get an idea of where it's gonna live on the face. That fits wonderful. And then the little bit of glue that I have, I run the edge of the lash over it. That way there's not too much glue. Open. Come in close. Beautiful. Let's do the other one. Open. And last, we take the little babies that are left, and for a little bit of extra Scott Patric gorgeousness, I take the little part that I cut off, dip it in the glue, and I double the fun on the end.
Ah, cute trick.
Stop. Open. You're gorgeous.
I am now.
See you guys soon. Thanks for stopping by.